Guys, is Joanna cute in regular with us? Come here, come. Is Jamir cute on his Giveaway dance? Okay. So, is ano ba? Joanna and Jamir cute together? So who will win?
I'll just give my prize to her. My prize is yours.
Okay, don't give because you don't have prize. Yes, your prize, orange juice from Isla Hotel. What will be the next program?